In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a website inside your Whop. Embedding a website directly inside your Whop product is a simple way to keep members focused and organized. Instead of sending people to another tab, you can surface dashboards, docs, or tools right where your community already works. Here's how to set it up, step by step. Start by signing into your Whop account. Use the account that owns or manages the product you want to update, so you have the right permissions. Once you're in, open the specific business or product where you want the embedded page to live. Think of this as choosing the exact home for the site you're adding, so your audience finds it where they expect. Next, go to the Apps section in your product's navigation. This is where you add built-in tools and integrations to extend what your product can do. Click Add App to open the app gallery. From the available options, select Website or the Embed app, depending on what it's called in your view. Either option will let you display an external site inside Whop as its own tab or tile. Paste the website URL you want to embed. Use the full link, including HTTPS. For best results, choose a page that's publicly accessible and designed to be embedded. Some sites block embedding with security headers like X-frame options or strict content security policy. If the page requires a login, make sure your users will be able to sign in or that the content doesn't expose anything sensitive. Confirm by clicking Add. Whop will attach the app to your product and set it up in the background. You'll now see a new tab or tile in your product for the embedded page. Click it to open and interact with the site right inside Whop. If it loads as expected, you're done. If it doesn't display, double-check the URL, confirm the site allows embedding, and test a public page to isolate the issue. Note that some pop-ups or redirects may be blocked inside an embedded frame, and very large pages may show scroll bars depending on layout. Quick heads up while we're here. I've placed helpful links right at the top of the description. You'll find a sign-up or download link for Whop, and a direct link to the example website so you can follow along or test your own embed. That's the whole workflow. Log in, open your product, go to Apps, add an app, choose Website or Embed, paste the URL, confirm, and then open a new tab to use it. This small change can save clicks, reduce context switching, and make your product feel more cohesive. Thanks for watching.